Hello, and welcome to Advaiya Solutions video on Enterprise Performance Analytics Solutions. Enterprise Performance Analytics is a cross-functional discipline aimed at improving a company's performance towards achieving its objectives. It is a one-stop solution for businesses to comprehensively assess and analyze the performance and growth of various departments. Enterprise Performance Analytics helps in measuring deviances from standard or the target set and analyze a company's current situation. It provides the top management level with valuable insights from the key metrics from the various departments. It controls those deviances and frames the future policies for the company. Advaiya Enterprise Performance Analytics Dashboard contains KPIs for sales, HR, marketing, infrastructure, and finance departments. Clicking on any tile will direct you to the specific details in the report. The HR report displays the visual of key metrics like headcount, percent turnover, cost of labor, total FTE, and time to fill. The sales performance report shows the revenue status, forecast sales, revenue recognition, what-if analysis in sales, lead opportunity funnel, and deals closed versus goals. The infrastructure performance report displays the performance of systems, compliance, and server status in terms of response time and connectivity. The marketing performance report displays the details of leads and acquisitions. The finance report displays cash balance, income statement, current working capital, and what-if analysis in sales. Thank you for listening.